Which came first, the egg or the chicken?
What?
If you got a dream or a passion, let's not wait around making excuses. Let's make it happen. Sky's the limit.
Wassam LA'FAMILIA, man. I got another video for y'all, man. It's Valentino Presents. I got my girl in here, my fiance. And, man, we're going to be doing a mukbang for y'all. As y'all can see, man, where we went to?
Sandwich crawfish.
Sandwich crawfish, man. We got a whole bunch of stuff. We got crabs, we got shrimp, we got seafood, we got lobster, we got potatoes, sausage, corn, a whole bunch of different sauces, man. So what we're gonna be doing is kind of like a little mukbang, bro. So we're gonna be asking each other about 15 questions, 5 funny questions, 5 serious questions, and 5 juicy questions, man. So, man, we're gonna go ahead and get started, bro. We're just gonna dig in right quick, man. Yeah, we're gonna dig in.
What's up, guys?
Alright, man. I guess you can start first on your question.
Okay. If animals could talk, which animal would you think would be the rudest?
Mosquitoes.
Oh.
It'll definitely be the rudest, boy. I ain't gonna lie, cause yeah, bro. Every time we see them, we just smack them like off top. We ain't gotta. As soon as we see them,
nobody like mosquitoes.
Hell nah, bro. Nobody like them. All right, my turn, man. Let me see where I'm going. Where I'm gonna be at. Where I'm gonna be at with it, man. Let me see. All right. If you had one day to live, or one day left to live, what would you do first? If you had one day left to live, what would you do first?
Go rob the bank.
Your last day to live? You wanna be praying? No, you going. You crazy,
I watch
bro.
too much TV.
You girl said, it said rob the bank.
I rob the bank and get all the money to my family. All the money to y'all.
That would be nice, but then when the police come,
You don't know nothing.
okay, you got that. All right, your turn.
Okay. If you could change one thing that happened, what would it be?
I'm gonna change one thing that happened.
What would it be? Like, it can be anything. It doesn't just have to be about your life or...
If I was to change one thing, man, I really don't got a problem where I'm at right now, so I really wouldn't change anything. But if I had to,
You wouldn't change nothing. You don't, like, nothing, like... Basically, you saying you wouldn't change nothing because you thankful for everything that has happened. Like,
yeah,
for what it is.
I'm good now, but since it is a mukbang and I have to answer the question, I would probably change some of the people I hung around. I'd definitely probably change some of the people I hung around to make better decisions, cause I'm pretty sure if I hung around different people now, I wouldn't be doing half the stuff I did or all these tattoos. Cause now sometimes I be thinking like, what I need these tattoos for, bro? I got all the memories in my head. But that's probably something I definitely change.
This is butter sauce.
Butter sauce. All right, my turn. All right, let me see, man. All right. How old were you when you lost your virginity?
I was 21.
You were old as a
To
man.
you? I was 21. 20. I was 20.
And
But
how old you is now?
I'm 24. No, I had to be 19.
No, you was 20, I think. You was
Couldn't
about
have been. We've been together for 5 years. So 19.
Yeah, 19.
Yeah, it's 19. I lost it to you.
She was 19 when I was busting them cheeks.
Hey, you talk.
Alright, your turn.
Okay. If you wore X-rated glasses, which part of my body would you look at first?
Them titties. I'm about to be at the titty like that. Cause ever since she got pregnant, the titty thing got way bigger.
Bro, I hate them.
I ain't gonna lie, like I like booty more than titty, but that'd probably be the first thing I see on you. And the titty.
I can't.
And the titty. Alright. What's your favorite part of my body?
The meat. Wait. Wait, you like what the fuck? That's how you look like. What the fuck? I wasn't expecting it. That's how you look like.
My meat pressure, man. I ain't got regular meat, man. I got that grade A meat, man. Your turn.
Okay. Which commercial? How can I put it? When a commercial is advertising a product, what convinced you not to buy it? Like you know how like you see.
Oh, what is that?
Is that
What
good?
is it?
What it tastes like?
I don't know. Like feet.
I'm weak. I cannot eat these crabs, but.
Oh, my bad. What you saying? Oh.
I said, when you watch a TV in a commercial, I don't like that either.
It's better than the other one though. All right, what?
I feel you was gonna like that though. But when you're watching TV and they promoting products like commercials or whatever, like advertising products, what product convinced you not to buy it? Like what commercial advertisement convinced you not to buy it? Like say for instance, like if you seen like a that pet egg stuff or that.
Hold on, say that all again. My mind's still on that nasty ass. So what?
When you watching TV,
Yeah.
and you see a commercial or whatever that's advertising, they got an advertisement on TV. What I don't even know how to put it. What commercial, what advertisement convinced you not to buy that product?
I feel slow. I still ain't getting what you're saying. What kind of question is that?
I'm weak. It's tricky. I mean, not tricky, but it's more like what the hell. But when you're watching TV and you see a commercial, they advertising their products on TV.
Right.
Okay. What commercial convinced you not to buy it? Like you look at the advertising, you be like, man, that's cap, or like it's not gonna work like that, or
them TVs that be on. I don't know if they still be on now.
what?
A commercial that be they got like a whole bunch of stuff on the table and they advertise it, man, and it'd be like after 12 o'clock or something. It'd be like a late night show.
Oh shit!
When everything be off. All your good shows be off.
Oh, but it's really nothing.
Yeah,
I know what you're talking about.
Like
And they just be
sleep.
advertising buku. Yeah.
Yeah, you wake up all of a sudden like 12, 1 o'clock, and you be like, what the hell is on this TV? Them type of commercial made me believe like, hey man, I ain't buying none of that.
That's just like that pastor that be on there talking about some of that water or something like that.
Yeah, nothing but spring water in there, man. And they be selling that spring. That's down bad, bro. That's down bad, man. Look at all that. Yeah, man, look at all that. Ooh.
I ain't never had lobster.
All right, my turn now. Give me a napkin.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right. If you could be any animal, what animal would you be and why?
I'll be a butterfly. A butterfly?
Just rewind the video, dog. Just rewind the video, D.
Why? Because for number one, they're just so pretty. Like, butterflies are just so freaking pretty. And then not only that, but I mean, I don't know how people look into it, but I always notice like when people die or something like that,
Yeah.
a butterfly always, you know, a butterfly always around. Like, if that makes sense, like okay, like for instance, like my grandpa died, butterfly was I'm weak. You alright? You want some water?
I'm good.
Okay.
Good.
Ooh, it's hot. Like when my butterfly, when my grandpa died, like a butterfly always hung around. Like after his death, like a butterfly was always around. It was like in groups. So I don't know if that means anything. I don't know, but I mean, I would be a butterfly because they're so pretty, different colors. You
True,
know.
but butterflies don't live long. Well, they turn into a caterpillar. Well, it'd be a caterpillar first, and then turn into a butterfly. Then they migrate somewhere, and they meet up with another. I guess the caterpillars or something. I forgot how it go.
Mm-hmm.
But once they do meet up, the butterfly that went over there, they die. And then the other generation come. They got a short lifespan though.
Oh wow.
They don't live long. That's probably why. That's probably a good reason why. But that was a good one though.
Okay. What's one public place where you like to get it on?
A public place I would like to get it
what's
on.
one public place that you would like to get it on?
I'd do the beach, man. On top of the car. The beach on top of the car, watch the sunset. That'd be a nice little spot, man. It's peaceful, for one.
Beat them cheeks.
Beat them cheeks for two. I don't care who watching. You know, God done bless me. So, I ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying? I might block the sun if I show mine. Everybody, thank you for the shade. I don't even be tripping on none of that, so I'll probably do it right there at the beach. Yup. Let me see mine, man. Mm-hmm. Alright. What lies do you tell often?
I ain't gonna lie.
You lying right there.
When people ask me for money,
What you be telling?
I ain't got it. I mean, sometimes I don't be having it, but like that's just me. Like,
so we know.
I really don't like giving away my money. Like,
I mean, yeah, you work hard for your money, man.
I mean, like, I don't have no problem spending it, but if you got the same ability like me, I ain't got it. Unless, like, the Lord convict me of it. You know, but majority of the time, I be lying. Look, I ain't got it. What was that?
Right,
what was that? I'm dead.
Alright, your turn.
Okay. What motivates you to go harder?
I ain't gonna lie, my son. I ain't gonna lie, ever since he came, I've been stepping up. I mean, I already been doing my dad.
Alright.
But since we got another member of the family, as a man, it's time to step it up a notch. Cause now, your son looking at you like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be a good role model to him. Cause he gon', when you go, you know what I'm saying, pass away, he gon' start off the next legacy. So it's good for him to start off with a good head on his shoulders. So that's why, man, I ain't gonna preach though, but what I'm trying to say is, you know what I'm saying, be a better man for him. For your son or your daughter.
Your child.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, my turn now. Alright. What's the most extreme example of poverty you ever seen?
Would probably have to be the kids on TV, like they be advertising like in Africa and stuff like that. Like that breaks my heart because like they be so small. They have a little to nothing. We're really nothing, but they have nothing.
But that's crazy though. Everybody don't talk about that. All of Africa really ain't like that.
No, because I had a teacher from Africa, and she talks about how beautiful, you know, it really is. She was like, but you will never. She said they don't show it, which they don't.
I don't know why they be trying to make them look bad.
Right, all the time. Okay. Do you enjoy seeing me touching myself? You enjoy me?
You really said that?
I'm weak.
That was some juicy. All right. Yeah, I do. When you be like, I ain't gonna say that. Yeah, I do though. I ain't gonna lie, I do, girl. I don't know how far I can go on YouTube with it, but I do. And it be like, you know what I'm saying? You know, and then it be like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say too much though. But I do, yeah, I do enjoy it.
Well, I have, but I'm not gonna say it. But like I had some like bad stuff that happened, but would have to be me losing my granddaddy. Like that really hurt me though, like for real.
Why?
Like because like he was like my second dad. Like I was close. Like we were like 2 peas apart. Like for real. That really hurt me. I'm looking on my phone ready. Okay. Are you afraid of failure?
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, man. Terrified of it. That's why. Why? Because I be seeing some of them homeless people outside. And they be like, man, cause like some of them had it all. And then,
and one little thing happened.
Yeah, and then lost it all. Everybody forgot about it. But not only that, because I have a son now. I don't want, you know what I'm saying? I leave this earth one day. And he look at me as like I haven't did anything or got nothing accomplished. And, you know, when I do pass, I want to have something to show for it. So, yeah, I'm terrified of failure. That's why some nights I stay up all night recording or doing what I gotta do.
Yeah, he does, y'all.
Yeah, I'm terrified of failure. I ain't gonna tell.
But you don't think like, I mean, like sometimes failure is a good thing. Not like that, but like as far as that could teach you, as far as like, you know, what to do next or like how to go about doing things. I mean, but you know, everybody don't think like that because, like you said, people who homeless or whatever. Like, if y'all don't know, some of the homeless people be the most talented people. Like, for real. And like he said, it's one thing that has happened in their life that just was like, you know, F it. Which is true. That's true.
Yeah. And Grandma talking. Yeah, bro, man. Alright, my turn. Do you think you a good kisser?
No.
For real? Right there.
I don't know.
What makes you think you're not a good kisser?
And I just think I'm not. Like, I don't know. I guess I wouldn't say, I don't know. Like, I guess I would have to, I gotta really be into it though for me to be
How you be? Yeah, how you do? How you be?
No, you should have saw it the first time. Look at him, man. Look at little man. Every time. I do this every time. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Which came first, the egg or the chicken?
What?
Which came first, the egg or the chicken?
I'm guessing the egg comes first. No. Wait. No, the chicken, cause in order to have the egg, you have to have the. But no.
No.
The egg came first, then.
The egg got a hatch. I don't know. I just,
That was a little
weird.
Let me get a
paper towel.
Yeah. That was a good one though. Let me see, man.
That was a little weird, huh?
Yeah, that was weird. I'm like, what? Alright, man. Let me see, man. Alright. Have you ever skinny dipped with a group?
No. I want to though.
You wanna
I'm gonna go
dip?
skinny dip. I might just do that in Florida. But of course, when everybody sleep. Because my people be looking at me like, oh. What the hell? Do you believe everything happened for a reason? Or do we just find reasons after things happen? Like,
Ooh. No, I think everything happened for a reason. I don't know how it all works out or play out, but I believe everything happened for a reason.
okay.
We all really don't know why until later on we go through life and as we get older we figure something out. But yeah, I definitely think everything happened for a reason.
Look
though.
at you. Ooh, you want this?
Mm-mm.
This thing. Wee.
All right. What do you like most about yourself?
What I like most about I like everything about myself. I like everything about myself.
Or like, what's the most you like about yourself?
My face. I like my face.
Your face?
Sure.
Okay. That ain't bad. Give me
My
some.
face and my teeth before they got fixed.
Oh yeah, she got braids. Her teeth was like.
They were like, ooh.
I don't know. Them things was out there though.
Don't try to do that. Don't do that.
To me, it looked good.
I ain't like my teeth. Like,
It looked good to me.
what you want? What you have on it? A peptide?
Huh.
Oh. How do you hang toilet paper over or under? Like, how you do it?
I do it over. Cause I like
Yeah, I do
I like
mine
to
over too. Mm-hmm.
pull then wipe. I can't do it like under and then pull then wipe.
I don't think this nothing I don't like. I like.
That last one.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Let me see. All right. What's the most crucial thing for a healthy relationship?
Trust. I
Why?
just feel like if you don't have trust, you don't have anything. Like, I mean, you just have to trust your spouse. You know, like, and I'm learning that over time. I'm like, trust, like, because if you don't have that, that would ruin a relationship. Like, for real, like, it really would ruin a relationship.
Real talk. So if y'all having problems, man, sit down and talk and definitely build that trust.
And come out. And I also learned too in a relationship, like, how a person reacts is how you come off to them. Like, if you come off to them all, yada, that's a defense mechanism. They're gonna automatically, do the same thing. So I learned to like come me about situations, like, cause baby, at first I was a
She's not lying.
okay. Where do you want to be in an hour?
In an hour?
Mm-hmm.
Editing this video.
Okay, look at you.
Editing this video.
Period.
Mm-hmm.
These crawfish hard. Man, where you coming? Where you at?
Let me see.
You say moo. You say moo and daddy.
What is your favorite sex position?
From the back.
What's your favorite one?
That's not.
Why?
Oh, it's 69.
You said that loud. Okay, I ain't bad.
Wow, I was gonna ask you that same question though.
Oh, too late now. No, too late.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing to do to me?
Favorite thing to do? You talking about like? I'm talking like juicy wise?
Yeah, juicy wise. I don't want no crawfish.
My favorite. I'd probably say when what I'm saying? When you got your head, well, your attitude up and your back leaned down, I'm just grabbing your love handle like that, and I'm just that's probably the best one right there. That's probably the best one right there, boy. That put me to sleep, boy. I ain't cup. That put me straight to sleep. Let me see, man. Let me see what I got for you. I might get crawfish all over my
Yeah, fun.
All right. All right. What or who would you sacrifice your life for?
My son.
Why?
That's not everything. Like, I don't care what it is. He need my heart. He can have it.
Real spill.
That's just that. Like, I gotta give it up. Because guess what? How I look at it, especially if he young and I'm old. Well, of course I'm gonna be old. I done lived my life. So it's time for you to live yours. That's a good question, though. I like that question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Like, if you could just picture it, like, what do you see?
I'll be, what, 29, 30?
Mm-hmm.
If I keep going the pace I'm going now, consistent and just meeting new people and everybody having the same mindset as me, I'd say I'd definitely be in another state, doing more things than I'm doing now, in a better house and car, for all us up in there.
Definitely
I definitely say I wouldn't say I'd be like up there, but I might be in like a little hood movie or something. Speaking of hood movie, man, Lose It All coming soon, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget about it, bro. Cause I got some stuff for y'all, bro.
It's gonna be a hit.
It's gonna be crazy. And I'm doing like an episode too, so it ain't gonna be a movie. It's gonna be episodes. Yeah, bro.
Yep, so if you like Snowfall, you like Power, you like that.
I ain't gonna have it exactly like that, cause this gonna be like a Louisiana vibe type.
But y'all gonna feel it. Like they gonna feel it. It's something y'all can relate to.
Yeah, it's gonna be one of them little Louisiana hood movies to see what we struggling with, you know what I'm saying? How we came up. So yeah. Alright, man, so yeah. You got more questions?
I don't. I'm out of questions.
I'm out of questions too. What's up, bro?
Y'all, and I'm full. Woo.
I appreciate y'all, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe at the bottom, man. And pay attention to that trailer. Lose It All, bro. Y'all keep, you know what I'm saying, keep staying tuned in it, because you never know when I'm going to drop it. I'm just going to drop it.
Right.
I ain't get no signal, no nothing. Just put it out there. So I appreciate y'all, man. This Valentino Presents, man. Love y'all.
And we out. I like that. That was really cool.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, baby.